In this video, we will learn how to set up email forwarding in Gmail. So let's start. This is my Gmail account. Go to the settings and click on the see all settings option. Then click on the forwarding tab. Here the first option showing the forwarding. Add a forwarding address means add here the email ID. Just click on add forwarding address. Please enter the new forwarding email address. So I'm going to forward the email of this Gmail on the email ID kriya t, okay, 7777 @gmail.com, and click on the next. Now here wait for the few seconds. Okay, verify it's you. Okay, Google want to make sure it's really you trying to set up the forwarding Gmail. So check your mobile. So my mobile is a Motorola, so I'm going to verify. So here the one message pop up on my mobile, so I just click on the yes, it's me. Then I select the 30 number and it's verify. Okay, so this is a process to verify. And forwarding mail to Kriyadi, just click on the proceed, and the confirmation link has been sent to Kriyadi to verify the permission. Okay, the confirmation link is sent to that mail. So I'm going to that mail, and here you see I received here the one mail from Gmail team. Just open it, and Gmail forwarding confirmation. Okay, here your email ID also mentioned has requested automatically forward mail. It means he request you to forward mail, and please click the below link to confirm that request. If you confirm that, just click on this below. I just click on this confirm. Okay, here I'm confirming the request. Just click on the confirm. Confirmation is success. Okay, now just go back on that mail and just refresh this Gmail. Wait for the few seconds, and here you see two option is added here above add forwarding address. So disable forwarding, and you can forward a copy the incoming mail. The email ID is just added, and there is some archive Gmail copy. If you want to forward the emails, to keep Gmail's copy in the inbox. If you want to keep the Gmail copy in your inbox and then forward to that Kriyadi email ID. If you want to mark Gmail copy as a read, if you want to archive Gmail copy, if you want to delete the Gmail copy and then forward to the Kriyadi. So this option you can select accordingly. Okay, so I just select keep in a Gmail copy in the inbox. Okay, and select the forward a copy incoming mails to this email ID. Okay, so this is a way you can set up. And if you want to remove, just click on this drop down list, and here the option you can remove this email ID. Okay, now just drag down below and click on the save changes. Now you are forwarding your emails to Kriyadi email ID. So this is a way you can set up your settings in forwarding the email to other email ID. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.